Hello guys, welcome back to CyanogenMod. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Genshin Impact error code 9203 fail to download resources or network error code 9203 on Genshin Impact on iOS devices and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing is you just have to do a restart on your iPhone. This is the first and basic step which you have to do, because for some of guys, by doing a restart both in PC as well as on Android and iOS, it helped them to get into the game. So just do a restart, and after that you just have to go to the App Store and you just have to make sure that the game is updated, or you just have to make sure that, because I haven't downloaded here, but those who are trying to play the game, they'll be definitely having an update option. So make sure that you are on the latest version, right? And once after that you just have to go back to the home screen and you just have to draw out your notification bar and make sure that the Wi-Fi is, you are connected to any kind of Wi-Fi, or you're having trouble with the same Wi-Fi, then you just have to try with another Wi-Fi just by connecting between and see whether the issue is not solely completely depends on the Wi-Fi issues. Maybe that can bring the issue up. And also once after trying that, apart from that, make sure if you're connecting using your data, mobile data, make sure you're having enough amount of data, and also try enabling and disabling flight mode on your iOS. Right, just enable the flight mode and disable it after a short period of time, then see whether the issue is solved or not. As you can see that the issues regarding the network error 9203, which is basically related to the network. So these are some of the possible occurrences you have to try out, and we found the solution from the Reddit, and for some of guys this worked out. So we hope this video is going to help you guys, and if you have any doubts regarding this, do ask in the comment section. So we will get back to you, and this is Shahin officially signing off from Get Your Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.